Chilean Potato Empanadas. A side dish from Chile. Serves 4. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Cook and mash potatoes. Step 2. Sautee onions and pepper in oil. Add seasonings. When vegetables begin to soften, add the corn. Sautee until all vegetables are tender. Step 3. While still hot, mix the vegetables, cream cheese and cheddar into mashed potatoes. Step 4. To make dough, mix water, vinegar and salt in a large bowl. Step 5. Add flour and butter. Step 6. Mix well and work dough with hands until well combined. Step 7. Form into long roll and cut in 8 equal pieces. Step 8. Roll each piece of dough into a 6 cm diameter circle. Step 9. Place fillings on each piece of dough leaving half-inch border. Fold dough over, seal edges with water and crimp with fork. Step 10. Traditionally, these are fried until golden brown. However, for those who are more health conscious, they can also be baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until lightly golden. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.